GIMP is a free Photoshop alternative, and I've made some cool stuff with it. I'm pretty good at Photoshop. Well, sort of. So this is one of my projects. I posted this today, like yesterday, or depending if I upload this today or not. Yeah, 16 hours ago. So you can see we have TA, my new branding strategy. So I'm gonna explain this one and go over each one. So basically, the top one is T. This is the user imagination text. We have TA. We have the highlights, which is there on the moon somewhere. We have the butterfly that's on the moon, and the black spots are the shadows. We have the vignette. The vignette is very important. Like it adds like this blue dreamy feel. Like if I remove the vignette, it's fine, but it's kind of, I don't know. But if I add the vignette back, it adds like this dreamy feel to it. Then we have the moon, which is it's self-explanatory. We have this there. This is the sky. Basically, so it's basically like this thing here. So if I add this back, you can see that's the background. You can see as it's still labeled that. Okay, so here we have the find yourself one. Well, this one is I get these from Pixel. So this is my brand strategy, the TA things, and I'm like somewhere there. You can see me there. My shadow. I don't understand how water works still, so I'm gonna explain this one as well. So this one here, it has TA, the find yourself, the me copy, which is my reflection. We have the me, that me, and then we have you have an enter, then you have the background basically. So that's what it is. So this is an amazing one, but I unfortunately lost the project files. I can't find it. So what would normally be is there's the TA. This is its own layer. There's a highlight layer. There's two shadow layers here. Well, this was never here. This is just a shadow layer, and yeah, that's what it is. And this one, it's fine. I just don't like it. So here we have Mathieu, the vignettes. This is the vignette, which adds like this dreamy feel to it. Then you have the color matcher. There's no vignette in it. Okay, never mind. So we have the color match, which you use to match the color, so you can see how you match colors. Then you have can it be what you want. That put this down here because it disappears when I put it up here. Oh wait, I put it up here now. Okay, so now it's up there, but I put it down here because it kind of works. Okay, and then we have the ears. Yeah, the thing. These are time. And then this was everything. This is the front picture. And then you have the another ear, the wolf, the background, and then that's what it is. Why am I saying that's what it is? Okay, so this one here tells a big story. The thing is, you won't understand. You might hate me, but don't be like that. Okay, I can't explain now. So the top layer we have shadows, which are these shadows here. Then you have close more the text there. Then you have the teacher, the TA, the me and the sword. Yeah, that's how I label it. Me and the sword. Then you have me and me. So this is the shadow layer. So this and then you have the class. Then you have the wasteland. And it's interesting how I did this nice sky. You want to know how I did it? Three, two, one. Yes. I just took this one and flipped it over. So now it's like this. So now that's what it is. So I just took the sky of that. Then you have catch with the boats is the class, and I didn't mean to. This is a mistake. I didn't mean this. So the vignette also has like like this dreamy feel as well. Like look, without the vignette, it looks like this. It's fine. It's just a little bland. With the vignette, yeah, you can see. Then you have the what's basically the sky. So that's all my stuff. So okay then, bye.